Hello everyone, welcome to our showroom, the indoor heated showroom here. I normally say showground, but we're inside the showroom today, and I've got a 2022 Wildax Pulsar to show you. It's based on a Citroen. It's a 140 brake horsepower manual. This one is 4 travelling and 2 sleeping. It's a really compact van at 5 metres long. You can stand up in there. It's got a shower, it's got a toilet, it's got a kitchen. You can make a bed. What's not to like? So follow me around and I'll show you some of the features. So it's in the really nice light blue metallic colour. Wildax Pulsar, you can see on the front. It's on a Citroen, as I've mentioned. We've got alloy wheels as standard. On a Pulsar you do have 2 sliding doors, so this would normally be closed and you wouldn't see that because we've got, I'll explain a little bit more when we get on the inside, but this is set up for the lounge at the minute, but you can have a travelling seat there. We've got LPG gas tanks, so it's fillable on there, so you don't need to mess around with gas bottles, and it doesn't take up any of your storage at all. If I push that closed, you'll see we've got your fridge and freezer vents just here, and because we're in the showroom we're hooked up to the mains electric.
Yeah.
So follow me around. We've got camera up there, spare wheel on the back door.
Yep.
We open this up, I'll open this side, Wendy's got that side.
Yeah.
So you can get a glimpse of the inside, but the reason I'm showing you the back, you've got table storage, awning winder, toilet cassette just in there. We've got storage pockets on the doors, on the back. We've got blinds and fly screens, opening windows, everything you'd expect on there. And you can see how nicely it is lit inside.
Yeah.
So if I close this,
Okay.
and we'll have a better look when we get round there.
Okay.
So round onto the passenger side, just squeeze through. So you can see at the top we've got TV aerial, you've got your full length fuel awning, we've got really bright LED awning light there as well. Electrical entrance step and some of your drain off points just there.
Yeah.
Diesel point is just here with AdBlue, and we have a fly screen on the door as well. So follow me inside, I'll explain a little bit more. So down to the front first, it's the Citroen cab, which looks identical to the Fiat and Peugeot cabs, which you're all familiar with. 6-speed manual. We've got your nav, all comes through on the screen there. You've got USBs, we've got cab air conditioning, cab blinds, and both of your chairs are captain seats as well. And then onto the lounge stroke travelling area. So you've got 2 options. This is how it would normally look on this side. So this is one of your 2 travelling seats. This side can also look like that as well. So you can have it as 2 travelling seats, or you can turn it into this sofa stroke lounge area, which we've got it set up as at the minute. This does make 2 beds, or you can make a big bed in the middle here, which is normally your normal one. So it's a really, like Wendy said, it's a flexible layout, but 2 sleeping and 4 travelling. Loads of headroom. I'm 6 foot tall, so you can see, no popping roofs, anything like that. And while we're up here, you've got loads of storage lockers.
A lot of storage.
Above the cab, you've got table leg and accessories in there.
Table points are here, aren't they? We've got
Behind Wendy, there's more storage lockers, all there. Light switches, usual things on there, carbon monoxide alarm, and it comes with a TV, which you can see just here. We've got various table points in the floor, so you can put them in different positions. We've got main sockets and more USBs under there as well.
Yeah.
And then follow me down to the end of the van. So at the top, again, storage everywhere. Behind there, up there, loads and loads of storage.
Is that the solar thing in there? Sorry, Adam.
Is it? No, it's
No,
your
that's
True
the
Mirai
True
net
Mirai
box.
Sorry. Yeah.
You've got your main control panel for the van, and then your control panel for your Truma heating, so your blown air heating and hot water.
Yeah.
Plenty of prep space in your kitchen with plug sockets, 12 volts. Generous 3-burner hob and sink. We've got your combination oven and grill there. Looks like it's never been used. Loads of storage underneath, and more storage under there. And then your fridge is just here, right underneath me.
Yeah.
And then over onto the other side, firstly in there,
So you've got a wardrobe.
Wardrobe with a further table in there, hanging rail, your TV amplifiers in there, and there's more storage underneath.
Yeah.
with more plug sockets down there. People normally moan there's not enough plug sockets in a camper van or motorhome, but there's plenty. And then into your washroom, bathroom, shower room, everything's really well equipped. More storage. I can't believe how much storage is in this van. Storage everywhere. Sink, we've got a toilet, obviously you've got your shower.
Yeah, this rail's handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really handy to hang things up, towels, anything like that, wet clothes.
Yeah.
And then the door literally just slides around, so it doesn't take up any space, doesn't come out into the van.
Yeah.
Mirror just here as well.
Yeah.
So really well equipped, compact van in really nice condition. It's only a couple of years old. It's here in our stock. It's available. If you are coming to see it, ask for me. My name's Adam. I'm more than happy to help.